Galahs for Brodie. Galahs are also known as the rose-breasted cockatoo. Galah originates from the Yarra Aboriginal word Galah. They are often seen in huge packs, as many as 1,000. Their life expectancy is around 40 years in the wild. It is capable that they can live for more than 80 years. Galahs are 35 or 38 centimeters long and weight under half a kilogram. Galahs' flight feathers and backs are grey with their crown is pale pink, almost white. The neck and underparts are rose red. Males have dark brown eyes, and female eyes are a reddish colour. Galahs live Galahs live in most parts of Australia, including some offshore islands. They have been introduced to Tasmania. Galahs occupy a range of habitats include woodlands, grasslands and shrublands. They also live in urban areas, parks and on farmland. And Galahs mate mate for life in tree hollows or caves in cliffs. There are only females lay 2 to 5 white eggs. Chicks stay in the nest for 5 to 6 weeks. Young birds join large flocks until they are 2 to 3 years old. Galahs are ready to mate when they are 4 years old. Sometimes galahs breed with other species of cockatoo. Galahs pets eat seeds and fruit while galahs wild eat grass, seeds and anything that they can. They mostly feed on the ground. Pet galahs Pet galahs can eat pellets, fruit and vegetables. They can't eat avocado or apple seeds. Sunflower seeds and nuts are a treat. My galah Max likes to eat anything. He can get with his beak or claw on his favourite foods are pasta and ice cream. Max also tries to eat things he shouldn't. Don't try and feed the last things that they shouldn't eat. Galahs are intelligent, so are highly intelligent, social, and highly adaptable. Also, they can talk. The word galah is also used in Australian for a silly person or a girl of a clown. This comes the silly antics of the bird. They are often playful, hanging upside down, sliding down wires, tumbling and wrestling on the ground. The popular TV character from Home and Away says you're flaming galah, and my dad says it too. Galahs as pets. Galahs make good pets. They are very social and need lots of attention so that they don't become bored and distracted. They need a large variety of lots of fresh water and food every day. You do not need a license to keep a galah, but you are not allowed to catch them in the wild. There are also many pros. The cons to keeping a pet galah. Max is my pet galah. He is around 4 years old, and we rescued him from someone who couldn't look after him anymore. Relax isn't always friendly. We can call him the land shark as he likes to bite people's toes, especially my brother's. He's quite big and very funny. Max once climbed up upon my dad and pulled some of his beard hairs out. Max can talk and sing. He says maximum and says goodbye, goodbye. What you doing, kisses? He can be a bit of he can be a bit crazy and he follows my dad around like a dog. Max can be peaceful and he is good company for me while I do my work. Having a galah is very rewarding, fun. Max makes me laugh a lot. Galahs are the best.